y'all know what time it is, y'all know what time it ain't. Hurry, get into it. It's the only Eddie, and I'm back with another video. So, yeah, so, you know, every time I come back with a video, I gotta come back with a new hair company, you know, just to get y'all right, you know, period. So today's hair company we're working with is from Vivi Babi. Vivi Babi hair. Vivi Babi hair. I think that's how you say it. Period. I believe this is a 26-inch. I forgot how many inches it is, but y'all know I always come back with the Brazilian straight motherfucking hair. Period, y'all. When I tell you this hair, I'm in love. It's giving me like, just like, and the lace. This wig is literally a dream come true. Like, I'm not even gonna cap with y'all. And y'all know I sometimes sugarcoat over some companies, but I'm not gonna say they're bad companies because they're really not bad companies. But some companies do like have like some, you know. But this company is literally everything. Like the lace is perfect. The hair quality perfect. Look at this. Yeah. Hold on. And I just got it on my mannequin head right now because I was plucking it. You guys know I'm still kind of bad at plucking, but you know, I'll get better eventually, one day. Without further ado, I'ma just mute everything. I'ma mute this and you guys can watch what I do. Till it gets clear. Don't not do it when it's white still. Just wait till it gets clear. It's eventually gonna get clear. So just wait for that. Okay guys, so now I'm just about to get started on my baby hairs. I can't really explain on how I do my baby hair, so just pay real close attention on what I do. I usually like my baby hairs kind of thin and kind of thick, just in the middle. So just, pay real close attention if you like how I do my baby hairs. And yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I want to give a huge shout out to Vivi Babi hair. You guys did this. I really love this hair. Like the texture and everything is so great to it. I mean, it doesn't get any better. Like I feel like this is my new favorite wig. I don't think it's the lace's fault. I think it's because I did add makeup. I feel like I shouldn't have added makeup, but it does look a little dark. But I mean, it's all good. It's all good. The lace is really invisible though, so just don't do the same mistake I did. And yeah, thank you again. I will be leaving everything down in the description box below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.